A stroll down the bustling alleys of Souq Waqif provides an authentic taste of traditional commerce, architecture, and culture. For centuries, this location has been a souk for Bedouin to trade woolen animals in exchange for daily necessities. The entire market area has been renovated and restored according to the traditional Qatari architectural techniques. It is probably the only traditional souk left in the Gulf. The first semi-permanent shops here were built around 250 years ago. Before that, vendors stood and sold their wares from makeshift stalls as the market often flooded, and it is from this tradition that the souk's name derives. Waqif means standing in Arabic. With booming prosperity, the advent of vast air-conditioned shopping malls, and Qatar's rush to embrace the new, Souq Waqif fell into serious decline by the 1990s. Much of the market was destroyed in a fire in 2003. An outcry from Qataris prompted the authorities to undertake a massive rehabilitation program, one that continues to this day. Such has been the success of this venture that the souk keeps growing to accommodate new alleyways. You can relax and soak up the vitality and atmosphere at one of its eclectic mix of great restaurants and cafes, which offer traditional Qatari food as well as regional dishes and treats from Asia and North Africa. Traditional music, art, and cultural shows add to the ambience of this special place, which also houses a comprehensive visitor center. For pet lovers, located behind the colorful spice section of Souq Waqif is a collection of birds and sometimes cats, rabbits, tortoises, and dogs. The maze of small shops offers a dazzling array of Middle Eastern merchandise, from spices and seasonal delicacies such as fresh nuts to perfumes, ornate jewelry, clothing, handicrafts, and a treasure trove of souvenir bargains. Many shops and stalls in the souk close around 1 p.m. and reopen at 4 p.m., but the area and its many cafes and restaurants remain open all day. The souk is also home to several art galleries and a traditional falconry market. The Falcon Souk is a highlight, but falconry is not the only traditional Qatari leisure pursuit you can see around the market. Nearby stables house Arabian horses, and just off the Corniche end of Al Jasra Saint, a pen is filled with feeding camels most of the day.